Hi, my name's Ian Miller, and in addition to being on CCI's Grand River Chapter Board of Directors, I'm an engineer at RDH Building Science. What I'm here to talk to you today is about how there are some projects that can save your building energy, save money, and make your building more comfortable and a resilient place to live. There's no doubt left that our climate is changing. Summer heat waves are hotter and longer than they've ever been, and storms are becoming more and more powerful with strong winds and heavy rain. Scientists have proven that if we can reduce our reliance on fossil fuels, we can reduce our climate impact in the hopes of avoiding a catastrophe. What I'm here to tell you is that with specific projects, we can reduce our building's operating costs, burn less energy, and make our buildings more comfortable at the same time as we reduce our impact on the climate. The key is something called decarbonization. The biggest challenge condos face in decarbonization is just having a plan. The Condo Act says that you need a reserve fund study done every 3 years, but because of limitations of the Condo Act that say you can't use that fund for improvements to the building, we often see those plans call for replacing old, inefficient mechanical systems with similar old-fashioned systems. It gives you no options to add insulation to the building. It gives you no option to adapt to the changing needs of your residents. What we're doing at RDH is giving you a standard reserve fund study that meets all the legal requirements of the Condo Act, but also providing you with a parallel decarbonization study at the same time. Your condominium can use this plan to make decisions on projects like new windows that can stop water from coming in during those heavy storms, stop condensation even on the coldest nights, and keep your home quieter. Instead of replacing a gas-burning boiler with an identical boiler of the same style, we can switch to an electric heat pump that can add air conditioning at the same time as saving energy. Realizing that those new windows don't stop the howling winds or prevent condensation only after that budget's already been spent. Or realizing that you've replaced your gas boiler with a new heating-only system when you really need air conditioning, that's too late. These are costly mistakes that can be avoided by having a decarbonization plan in place. We'd all like to do our part to slow climate change, but it's a hard sell if there's no financial payback. Government incentives are coming, but if you don't have a plan in place, you can miss the boat. Buildings that get left behind will see their property values fall, whereas comfortable, energy-efficient buildings become more desirable and they see their values increase. Save energy, save money, help the climate, improve the comfort and resilience of your home, and in doing so, protect your investment. It's a win all around, but first you need a plan. The next time you need to update your reserve fund study, consider asking for a parallel decarbonization plan at the same time.